How to log out account in Edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this icon. Simply tap on it. Now here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on a profile icon. So these are the profile settings that are available. Now here on the last option, you can simply see Logout. Simply tap on Logout and tap on Logout again. So before logging out, you must make sure you have your account ID and password saved with you in order to log in back. Now simply tap on Logout. So it will take some time, and as you can see, I've been logged out. Now in order to log in, you can enter your ID and password again and you will be ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.